This is Michael Orrell, Editor-in-Chief of MobileBurn.com and AndroidAuthority.com. Today I'm going to take you through the new Google Goggles application for the Android platform. It's available for free in the Android Market software applications store. And what Google Goggles does, it's a visual search app that allows you to take a picture of something, and based on your location and information in the photograph you take, it'll identify and hopefully bring back pertinent search results. So I'm going to take a picture of some things I have lying around the house and just see how it works out. Just setting it up here, and it's giving us a bunch of recommendations, things we can take pictures of, logos, businesses, barcodes, things like that. We'll go through and test a few of those and try to get a wide assortment, but it's a little bit difficult on short notice. You can see that appears to be a YouTube video you can watch for a tutorial, and it mentions that it doesn't work well on animals, furniture, or clothing. Let's say disable history. And that's the application. That's all there really is to it. You take a picture of something, line it up there, take the photo, and then it scans it and tries to come up with relevant search results. So let's give it a shot. Our first test subject is a 320 gig hard disk from Western Digital. It's a brand new drive, so it's definitely a current model. Get focus. Take the photograph. Then it'll start analyzing. And we can see it comes back with a bunch of results on Western Digital drives. Not specific to this model though, so let's give it a 3-star rating. Our next test is a children's toy from a company called Automoblox. Cool wooden cars. Line it up for the photograph. Shot the image. And you can see some mentions of the actual product, the Automoblox C9, which is what this is. I'd say there's pretty good results. Next up is a Plantronics Voyager Pro headset. Get a good photograph. Has a pretty distinctive shape, so I have high hopes for this one. And we got nothing. We're going to test the phone on a barcode now. This is a Plantronics Discovery 975, brand new model. So let's see what Google Goggles comes back with. Analyzing the photo should spot that barcode. You would think would make it pretty easy. We got Plantronics out of it, but we definitely did not get good text recognition. Look at this, or Vegn's letter trademarks. It doesn't make any sense whatsoever. I'd say these are pretty poor considering. We're going to try a box from a pair of children's shoes with a nice clear barcode on them. Let's see how it does. And it finds nothing. This time we're going to give it something really easy. Nice clear logo from Dell. And we get to Dell.com. Of course, for all that time we took, easily could have just guessed Dell.com. So accurate at least, but still not particularly impressive. Another interesting feature is Based on the electronic compass and where I'm pointing the device, it knows from my general area what I'm possibly looking at. And you'll notice right here it says Christine's. It's the name of a restaurant that happens to be right where this camera's pointing. You just tap on that little tab there, little shortcut, automatically brings up information about Christine's restaurant. On top of that, it'll also list out information on other places that are nearby. You can see Sesame Place and Oxford Valley Mall are very close. Some of the local hotels, apartment buildings, and restaurants. So that's my quick look at the 1.0 version of Google Goggles, also known as Google's Visual Search for the Android platform. I'm Michael Orrell for MobileBurn.com and AndroidAuthority.com.